Assalamu alaikum, dear student.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
How are you, dear student?
I'm fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Could you tell me please,
Yes, sir. My name is Takmir Hamza.
where you come from?
I come from Sylhet. It is a division of Bangladesh.
Which class are you studying?
I'm reading class 9.
Good. What is the name of your institution?
My institution name is Muhibur Rahman Academy.
Thank you, Mr. Tahmid, and I am very grateful to have you, though you are following my Facebook page, and here you come from following the Facebook page. Actually, the name of my page, the Child Care Academy, and dear viewers, Mr. Tahmid is a student who is studying at Muhibur Rahman Academy, and he is coming here actually following the Facebook page. So, Mr. Tahmid, you are cordially welcome to my Child Care Academy. And how look the environment of the Child Care Academy?
Good.
Actually, I'm adding you something that Mr. Tahmid, in the pandemic situation, most of the students are dropping out from studying, and often of they're wasting their time using laptop, computer, mobile phone, and disappointing their time, wasting their playing, etc. So, do you think it is better than wasting their time at home?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. And I'm spontaneously give the invitation. Those who are wasting their time, please come here and join to us, because we are starting a course. This is very important for the betterment of our students, Mr. Tahmid. And what about your feelings to join with the Child Care Academy?
Fine.
Thank you very much. And Mr. Tahmid, you know that English is an international language. If you want to do something better in your future, like that, if you want to admission university, medical university, here or abroad side, if you want to be a good doctor, you have need in English. So, in this situation, I want to give you this facilities, alhamdulillah, and I want to give you welcome because you are following me and join with me by the way of Facebook or page. So, Mr. Tahmid, can you say something about the importance of English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please say.
Language is one of the main ways to communicate and interact with other people around us. There are many languages in the world. Among all, English has emerged as the international language. There is hardly any country in the world where English is not used, spoken or taught. Almost 350 million people speak as their mother tongue. In addition to that, it is the second official language of a number of countries and of many international organizations. International organizations hold a meeting in English. One can communicate in English almost all over the world. Moreover, about 80% of the information of the computer is in English. Email, fax, and internet also run through English. The business was also conducted by the language. So the importance of English cannot be denied. English is also important for children. In many countries, children are taught and encouraged to learn English as a second language. Actually, English is important for us to maintain international relations and communication. It is the language of diplomacy, international politics, meetings, and conferences. So learning English is very important. That's all.
Thank you, Mr. Tahmid, and I'm very happy to have you actually, and thanks again. And those who are interested, please join with me. Inshallah, I'm to give you a lot of facilities to my courses. I'm to give good teaching those who are interested to learn English. Actually, Mr. Tahmid described about the importance of English language. So here you could see, in the society of our country, most of the students are dropping out and they fear English is too much value for them, and they feel it is very hard, very hard, very hard. I spontaneously want to tell you that it is not a hard task, but you have need practice, practice, and practice. And if you continuously working and hard working within English, inshallah, it is nothing too difficult. So, please join with us and like, comment, and support and prayer for my Mr. Tahmid. All the best. Allah Hafiz. See you later.